Hi, my name is CJ, and I'm the kid who showed you how to make your own space police ship. Now I'm going to show you how to make your own space police prison truck. First, you need the same thing as this. Take that off, and then get the same black pieces, hook them up. I have an extra one, so I can put another one if I want. Get a white piece, put it on, hook it up, and then do the same with the second one. You need 2 more to make a prison truck. Takes a little while to make. You do the same as you did with the second one. Then you hook that one up, then you flip it over, then you get a 10 by 4 piece. Then you put it in the middle, and then you still leave it. Then you hook these two line 4 that has 4 circles. You flipped it over, voila, you have it. See you later. Bye.